Something get into my stuff. Get away. Get up. There. Okay, so then I'm gonna do, after I'm apply really generous coat of condensed glue gel, I am going to place my shiny sky, I think. It looks so cute. I would think this one gonna be looks really good. You know what? For the fusioning, it's gonna look stunning too. So if you do try it, please just don't forget to tag us. We would love to feature your beautiful work. Looks so cute. You can do in any colors. You can do, well, if you have a black colors, the clients want a black colors on the nails, you can do a similar look like that, and a silver. This in Shiny Sky have a silver. It has 12 different colors. I'm really obsessed with this. I'm fighting a little one. Where's the tiny one? It's small one. Tiny. It's funny, when I need the smaller one, is hidden from me. I said, no, use me. I'm a bigger one. I'm as like looks more. You can see it more. But we have some really cool big one right here, and then tiny ones because I just use this little one, so then it can go in between the big ones and the little ones. So they cover a good combination. So if you want to cover her entire nails, you can. I just love the look is like that. This is really stunning for if you're doing even a clear nails. If you have a client doing a clear nails, you can do black colors, you can do pink, you can do green, you can do however you want it. I think it was stunning. Turned out good. I think I'm good with that. You think, do I need to add more? If you want more, you can add more on. So I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. I think I want some dot in there. Thank you, Laurie. Okay, so I'm gonna close that one. And then, cute nail. Chantel, thank you so much. Irene nails, Mardi Gras nails, this one. We did Mardi Gras, and we have a lot of different designs. We're back in the past few videos. We did a lot of Mardi Gras nails too. So, no, it's perfect. Okay, Miss Beautiful Nails for you. Thank you so much, and tiny germs in between. Yeah, we can do as SS3. I have SS4 in here. We can put some crystals on it. And we are going to have the class going on in Ann Arbor to next month in March. It's going to be a great class. It's only host once a year for a master brand ambassador. What we say master brand ambassador is we have the brand ambassadors and some influencers, but for become a master brand ambassador, you can get an opportunity to teach with us along with different trade shows and more opportunity in the future for training classes cross country. So if you love what you're doing, you want to grow out more from what you're doing and still stick with what you love to do so you can help more people to be successful. And that's the class you want to be join with us. So we're going to train from liquid and powder, basic in shapings, enhanced in shapings, all different salon style shape. If you are feeling really hard time with how you can get your shaping and structure of the nails, and you want to really want to take your skill to the next level. And then sometimes you wonder yourself, like, why I take a picture, it looks so nice, I did it perfect, but I take the picture and it shows on Instagram, the shape is not like exactly what I want. That's what happened to me for years ago, like quite at least, let me 5 or 6 years ago, when until I am searching and hunt for a lot of mentors that I got an opportunity to learn under their roofs, so that I able to got to share with you today. So the class is basically is really awesome for only is for you to improve your skills and salon style. Also, you get to learn from the basic crystal placement with a lot of nail art. So it's way beyond than you think it's just a crystal only by itself. So we are preparing for you to not only being like already successful in your salon, you're gonna be way more than that, to be working smarter than harder. And also you can able to help a lot of other nail techs around the world to be successful. And also you take yourself in the next level and be successful as well. And the third day with the class, we are training like really intense for a master brand ambassador. So you can able to host class with us, teaching and help so many other nail tech from beginnings, like doesn't know how to do crystal placement or liquid and powder or other nail art, to the point that they feel so confident and bring it back to the salon. So we never have to worry about that we can't make it because we are the nail tech. I'm so proud of I am a nail technician. So it took me a long time that my mom was seeing it, because she sent me to school for 4 years college, didn't expect me to be a nail tech, which is a little bit, I see exactly what she's thinking. And she, I don't know if I make her disappointed, but she would never think that would be a great. So I'm did condensed glue gels. I'm gonna doing a no wipe top coat on the top of no wipe condensed glue gels, floating it, so don't want to pull it too much. And this is no wipe top coat, so I'm gonna add some crystal on it. I just don't want to interrupt, but just want to add some on it first, and then this nail gonna be completely done. So my mom didn't really believe in it, because she thinking the nail techs like would never make a livings, and she's want me to get the real job, which is, I don't know, it's in the mood of I'm sharing it, because I'm sharing it where I'm really start with my career and how far I'm going, and I see that visions, and I would love to help a lot of nail techs. I want you all to be proud. You are who you are. Don't be afraid of you are saying it. Hey, I'm a nail tech. Is totally in the art, okay? It's not a nails only anymore. If you treat it as your career, you make a massive hour from your career. You are not only a nail tech and talented, you also is helping and connecting with a lot of customer. Basically, you're a psychologist and a nail tech. So the clients care and love you, come back to you because who you are. So I want all of you to be proud of you are, who you are, and you are talented nail techs. And don't let anyone to think you are less than that. And I'm so proud of, and I know that you all is gonna make a difference for our industry. Look at that, I freaking love this. If you add more, you can, but I'm gonna stop right here because I'm gonna start cover completely nails, and you being like, oh no, Nancy. Okay, pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Okay, so it took me a long time, 6 years, that I still talking to my moms, but I don't let her know what's going on with me and my career. So I'm start with my business. I work really hard so then I can keep learning new things, keep taking classes from a free classes, like, or I didn't get really lucky like to be seeing on like social media, like on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram, like I got to bring it to you today. I just saying it mean that things changed a lot for our industry for past 20 years. So I love to work hard so I can able to give back more. So that is the reason that we sharing with all the nail tech who is really, really passionate in it. Think deep in further in our industry. The more of you stepping up to helping more nail technicians to be successful, we help so much in our beauty community to build a wealthy community and healthy community. If like more of nail tech able to get to go to taking even your small classes as hosted by you, they can able to get so much like a positive confidence in what they're doing, and they can able to bring it back to the service for the clients. They're able to keep the clients with them, so then they can able to continue, giving a service and making a good living from the career they chose. That is freaking awesome. If I'm doing this, and if I feel some scratches right here, I'm gonna using my precision glue. But usually with the little guys, you don't feel that much like a bigger one. But I'm gonna give you, I don't squeeze anything out yet, but I gonna make sure I'm checking first. I'm seeing it is scratchy, then I will feel them a little bit in to make sure that it's not catching a client's hair. So please don't feel that you are not good enough. We all have a difference of, like a life, how do I say, the milestone that we go. I was seeing in some of my peers that I wish to be like them last 5 years, 20 years. I said, when I'm growing up, I just want to be like her. And I work and I keep working. And only the things I do have to share with all beginners that, keep doing it, because that is not about the top nail tech or the most popular nail tech will win. The one who not giving up and keep going is the one that's winning. And we want to be all of you to be winning because you are so talented. And so, by the way, for 6 years, I didn't talk to my mom. I'm popping the lamp for about 60 seconds, okay? My wonderful mothers, and I think she's crying inside, but she's like, didn't expect me to send me to 4 years college to be a nail tech. So I'm working really hard for 4 years. For 6 years, didn't get to see her. Well, didn't get to go home see her, and then didn't tell her so much about what's going on until one day she came visit me at the salon. She's seeing whole entire salon with full of customer with love and support, and she start bursting into tears and crying. And then at that moment, she's support me every single little things I am doing. So I'm really, really grateful for that. But that means if I would give up it, then she couldn't see that how well I am doing. So just a little story from my life story, part of it, to just share with you. So that's why I don't give up. It might be difficult at first, but then that's how we are always like keep continue education. I'm so grateful that I can be here to share with you every single night. Unless I'm going out the show that we're sharing with you with what's going on in the shows, but I'm here. I will try my best to share with you much I can. And then if you are like any of you here listened or rewatching it and would love to be part of our team, don't hesitate to DM us and get more information for the classes. We would love to walk you through how you can able to be part of our team, as well as that if you want to do one class in like liquid and powder, do that as well. It's like the option for you to do one class. Also, the smaller kits will come with your one-day class, liquid and powder. Or if you just want to take one class for crystal placements, you also receive the kits come with that as well. And then the third day, which is master brand ambassador, is have to come with at least is connecting with crystal placement, which is a day 2. So you have to cite day 2 and day 3 together. So then that way we can able to pass on a lot of hands-on training for you. So then when you host a class and train the class, you get to doing really good and feel confident for all your students.